son, I drive like your man. You go right past my Benz and then I call for Father God and a bar. The wicked one, them borrow your money and them tell you so your Friday to run. See them 3 months pass and I know Friday no come with them a ball and say them don't have no. They watch and they put them in a roof them and they jump. Check on up and I'm it. The hard working Jamaican people, big up on yourself. Round of applause for yourself. I'm going to say, when we do them song, yeah, we didn't imagine saying a song man and go ball out them short over it. We have to do them song for the people them who might not go dance, but them understand songs like, hey girls, go and to go as we get this morning, yes, and we feel like that's one time on the road. As we get the money, we don't get no spirit to them. Right there, right there, and to go. We get paper on Friday, and my Saturday. Oh, there's a feast of it's fun now with money. We go to my teeth, we like that. A long time with us here, down on the days. When we could have a thing slashed there, we lose big out, a track one day, we don't go back there. Get the pay, we pay for that, you said. We got treat it, but we never yet catch it. All the lots of that flip it. And I don't want to break the law. One of my friends of the tripod. Now mama, he said we come to get the job. Me young guy back on the job. And to go as we get the money, keep going. And I hear it. And it feel like next month take on the road. As we get the money, keep going. Last night was a fortnight. Look more serious than me and the boss fight. About 6 feet wages about me. I come a 10-man story. Story can't put food on the table. Story can't put on back the cable. Boss man keep the paper, you don't see me life unstable. Hold on, we want 1 month rent and me have to pay half. Couldn't be a light, so I have to stay half. I believe money is secret. The 6 feet kick that's journey way half. Now repair me no get late. Hey, get home and to go. Get the money, keep going. And we feel like next month, one more time. As we get the money, keep going. One more time, I say, and to go. As we get the money, keep going. And we feel like next month, as we get the money, keep going. If you enjoy yourself, say whoa. If you enjoy the show, raise your hand and let me know, massive. Thank you. This is grateful. We are grateful. And we're grateful, see me. Drop the next rhythm, you know that rhythm, the man, the rhythm, the go some man. Ching, 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 ever. Check, check. Check, check. Check, check. Check, check. Let's get that person. Grateful of man, can't drink Hennessy and them fruit hungry. One drop done. Man just up in a near brand soon. Now mind them, yo. Y'all 50 of one clear foot and sheen and near brand road. And run when I wish mama love and I put them to the world. I just say my girl Lexus. Mama, everybody wants to be the tired. Tell them say I'm oh my God, so like come on. Anybody here love dance and music? Caribbean. I want this. After rap with me. Everybody love dance and music. Let me see Anchor. So, alright, now go down next banks of the world story. Level. Me live at Kentire, and you have 2 bridges that come from Kentire for Gossam. You have the swinging bridge, and then you have driving bridge. Then you want to take for cross river, you know which part it carry up? A place named Tavern. When you sit up on the taxi them, or the bus them, I go from Kentire, I pass Tavern, you have an ends name, David House. One artist come from David House. You might know him. Let me sing a song I say, if them don't change, we gon' do something. Hurry up. The Almighty we say above all things. We don't frighten for people things in a red eye. When you're grateful, you know for satisfied. What the Almighty give you. No, my sister. Some brand new for them. 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 Sasco, and I say, dragging me everything.
Oh yes, I want me say I'm give me everything. So me not lose the sanity if I'm getting no friend. See, some them can't use my for catch me. Whenever you hear me sing, I'm from my heart to the top of the chart. That's why we are the king.
Cause I give me everything. Feel grateful. No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for them, so they must be up in their life. They do anything for Gucci, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for Geta. And them do anything and them say that it's all about survival. Anything is like a bunny and the viral. We'll get it sick cause everybody want the viral. The meditation is a prime level. Enough of them stand up for nothing, like an on the spinal. Rival, they make people see me title. Try to keep the spirit, we have the revival. Red Bull massive say, watch out, give me Red Bull massive say.
So the time is the sanity. Are we not trying to be what? So the time is the sanity. Whenever your Sasco singing, I promise to the top of the summer. Sasco try to have the man.
For them, say them I forget it any it's necessary. Them dream to be a boss with 3 secretaries. Push the buttons, they leave the keys necessary. You said, them end up in a the cemetery. Them do anything. Live an hour, look a rope a cherry. They will go extra hard, feel extraordinary. Please say the wrong proud of Burberry. Enemies, them Christmas of the merry. So you know, class out December then bro, January. Turning up in a trouble, the day can't stand it. Everybody in a great club. All the ones on the so them can't use me. Whenever you hear, when I see go. So them not be here. So them not be now. Yes.
Anything for nice, anything for liquor, bling bling and pizza. Them do anything for something from me. We go lay down in our hotel or silver.
Remember said them salute Marcus Garvey for peace and little rice. I thought the piece of silver them take for give the price. I remember said never in a tonight. If you love the Almighty, raise your voice and say that you everything. Hey, watch out. So we die. And we go back to you. So you can't stop the feelings. Whenever you hear, whenever you hear, take it up. Lila, what's the other say? But I give you so now,
I will not fight for you. What? Lovely, tell them my show, but give me a level card. This alone, that's it. Listen to me. When I also celebrate Sasco's 25th year in the business. 25 years. How am I doing? Turn on my mic. Come on now.
Never that.
25 years doing something that you love, that's able to provide for you and your family. You say to me, I say, and it clean and it positive and it pure. You couldn't do it without the power of the Most High. So in Sasco link me and say, Lila, me have a song more you hear. I'm here and I say, yo, they do everything nowadays for likes and everything for this and that. Me say, you see, me now come around and come tell you what them a do. Me I tell you what me I do. Because the reason I'm here tonight, the reason why Sasco there, the reason why we there, are because of Jah. Anything you want to call it, Jesus, Buddha, Selassie, anything. From you believe in a one creator and the most high. Guess what? Me say Jah give we everything. So me not lose me sanity. I'm not friend for anything. So them can't use no one. Me say we never leave no sin. No, I'm from me heart to the top of the chart. And that's why we are. We are. Oh gosh, I'm talking we everything. So me not lose me sanity. But me say Jah give me everything. What? So them can't use no one to catch me. Whenever you sing it. I'm from me heart to the top of the chart. And that's why we are. Jah give me everything. Sasco, I never discipline for you, but rain or fall, I never put on my boots. I never heels and a long frock, nothing wrong. Come! Remember now we said Jah give you everything. Me used to walk them streets, yeah, man. If you know where you come from, I love where you come from. Come! Send this and Lila up on the man. Lila. Oh gosh, me say Lila up on the man. Yes, whoever they are tonight, Sasco, oh God. What we do? Come! Come for the blessings that are falling on my table. Learning my lessons now. To do just what I can, as humble as I am. Working towards a goal, and we give thanks for helping hands. Pray for health and strength and life and length and peace of mind. Good people and good vibe. Give thanks every time in every single line. No, I like people who love where you come from. Can I hear you? So when I look at you and take a look at you, I really have to say that I'm strong. All praises to the Most High God. Look at me, where I'm running from. Now take a look at where the journey begun. I really have to say that I'm strong. He's where you know I run. Oh yes, can I tell you about the what? Boom! Life of a queen in this your concrete jungle. Firm in a regime, they would have want to see me stumble. Mama said no go at town and mix with dirty bungle. See they now, we are right and so we rise and so. Out of Christiana, then me left come look for mine. Never sell me soul, me settle down and take my time. See they know me they are grateful. And we are sing these lines, what? So when I look at you, take a look at you. I really have to say that I'm strong. All praises to the Most High God. Look at where I'm coming from. Now take a look at the journey.
Break down the motor, it will be mean and come down long like on the company. Switch from the government, it's a feel. Can get piece of tar, solar fly well like a piece of art. So it's all clear and evidence. Call by them, CIA intelligence. Down Netflix have the evidence. Some man a shoot, pastor in a church. Man a shoot, father in this school. Some other man make up the rules. Hey, man's a fuck. No one sing out them thing ya. Come on, can even manage put them cabbage in a finger school. But for them carry down. I come up the train, that's when the flooding started. The government, my brothers, it is a shame. More time we feel embarrassed. We feel a part of the generation causing all this havoc. You know what that? A man would never care about it. Ask me like, oh my God, we stop seeing it. No, no. Oh, they've lost their way.
To you and pray. See when they come with them and just last. Say what? The youths are said they won't obey. The pedophile them start and notify the youths a play. A man that turn the basic school, them in a shooting range. Somebody panic a toddler down go see another day. All who not turn a blind eye. Turn the other way, level up. What's the agenda? It come like them November say. We'll only give up on the 40th of November. With a bus strong and tight and like the ultimate defender. And all it take for London, Babylon is just an ember. Pull out the weakest link, them fall like Jenga. Blind about your cable box like a bird box challenger. Cause how can you not see that? And we say that another. Hey, brother.
We don't learn. So now we gotta let go.
Push loud, youngster, see you.
We don't learn.
Lila Ike, myself. Alright. Well, now, your man, you can't sing one song. Come here. Come here, brother. Me have a sing a part of it. Me have a sing a part of it. Me have a sing a part of it. She didn't know how to tell her she was in love with a Rastaman. Fire was burning and burning.
So start now.
To let her what she was.
I know her story before she said that he just wants her cooperate. Find somebody that's cooperate.
She said it's suit and
Time
time.
or appropriate. Him say him now make him daughter stray. What a reggae news if she start with plate. And then I tell you when she start her plate. And that is what she need. Come on, first me off if she start to read. I hear stop home and it's start to need. That's how we won't keep her off the street. But oh, she will. And that with me. More than a natty head is what she sees. Hold up and sleep is not for me.
Everybody be a dog and singing a she didn't know. Oh, what?
To tell him.
Say what?
She was in love
With a Rastaman.
Like
Fire was burning.
these are
Burning.
One more time, sing my Mary, one more time. And she didn't know what? Say what?
She was in love with a Rastaman.
And what else?
Fire was burning.
And then what?
And burning.
I like that.
But she was holding it.
Protoje, myself.
Alright, then. We now watch no face, make no more party. Alright. Everybody, if you know say corruption run Jamaica, hands up like this. Everybody hands up right now. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hey. Alright, then. We now watch no face, make no more party. Enough drugs, money, they are very yard. No individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where they make them starting. Enough politicians taking donation. So enough criminal. You never see yourself not even a vote house. Whether every Sunday we see them taking vote out. Not those resort and a car dealership. The construction company, they just don't legit. They use washing money. Hey, signal, 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 up. And then we tell them cancel operation. But no real bad man now go station. And then what? If you check the situation. And what? A blood money running nation. I beg you come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the face. If what you see no really face you. Alright. Let's see where so seen. Wait. Don't go in on the bridge, right? Keep it straight right there. If you don't love Agent Sasco, make some noise right now. May I tell you this? When I was a little youth, the man them a Renaissance now I go remember. Big up Dr. Trey, him I go remember. You see they run a Renaissance, I try voice on some rhythm. Was a little youth, you know. And I see a next little youth walking at the studio with him khaki suit and thing with at a Sasco while them a go camper down. You see me I say? And from me see how him take him career from that youth in khaki in almost 97 or 99. Yeah, you know the brain I go. And then we realize him develop into an artist over 5 years, then 10 years, then 15 years, then 20 years, and 25 years of music. Wanted to give some nice for that right now. So if you're not happy, say Agent Sasco the 25 years. Every signal look like this right now. Sasco, you know what I'm saying right now? Hey, see they know you make it in life, hey. I know you will live it like royalty. So me happy say the thing right. I say never ever happy thing twice, no way. If I ever make it in life, hey, you are gonna be living like royalty. So me happy say the thing right. I say never ever happy thing twice, no way. Me used to sleep on Saga couch. Me used to sleep on. Keep the rhythm play same way. Hey, where my brother there?
Yeah, grateful! Say grateful, make some noise for Agent Sasco! So even now, some people you rate, dance and them still choose to show you hate. So what you doing? Run them out of you. No, you no sing with me. Hey, but no for them man. Some hypocritical too. We call them mad and they true. For them as brothers up. We can't hear you. Say no for them back. Some hypocritical too sideless. We call them. Hey, make some noise for brother Protoje.
Hey, sing this with me, sing this with me, sing this with me, sing it with me. Hey, when me say this a Protoje, hey, and Jessie Royal, what you say, hey, if you happen to be in Jamaica, Caribbean, West Indies, so, I know we tell you who knows.
What is that grateful? Now on your name, in your face, them a smile up. Behind them a money, them a pile up, yeah. Try to start your business and them quick for spoil it. Give me a mix, we tell them well done, Mr. Politician, man. You done a wonderful job until you're done with country demolition, man. Grateful, we tell them well done, Mr. Politician, man. You think of that? we're in a circle. The boy that come from every angle is nature. It's only lions in my head. No snake, no rat can't be my friend. In loyalty, there's another place of a currency. With no worship vanity. Unity is our sanity. Steel, blood and gravity. One friend and family. See, we are the lion. We sit up on the corner, but some marijuana. Cause the tongue is found when they read a couple songs. Every man heart clean, no one wanted drama. But I still shove and never do the yard. Yes, we are the lion them good. We are the lion them good.
One last thing before we left the stage. One last thing before we left the stage. Roger,
take it up.
red, gold and green. Red, gold and green. We have the banner from you, know you're so clean. Red, gold and green. Red, gold and green. Accurate, immaculate. Sasco, big up your damn self.
Massive go! Protoje, Jessie, Kabaka, Pyramid! Alright, you're ready for the one now. What kind of people them this? Alright, lady, me I'm gonna sing it, trust me. Alright, here we go now. In the spirit of gratitude, and in the spirit of fellowship, and just welcoming others to a beautiful country, Jamaica. I call on a bitch and a man.